Lola, you're going to do the sound effects for Colin. And Mimi, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan. I can't believe your name's Mimi. The scene is James Bond, Ryan, and his beautiful accomplice, Tiffany. Colin, they're giving you names now. Are settling down for a romantic encounter in an alpine chalet when you're surprised by enemy agents. That's the scene. Take it away.
I've fallen so in love with you, I'm not going to even bother using my fake accent.
Oh, James.
Martinis?
Oh, please.
You like them dry, I hope?
Why don't we put some vodka in there?
I'm sorry, I'm a little nervous. I think that's enough, Tiffany.
Some ice?
A little, please.
Clink, clink.
It tends to jump by itself into the glass.
Thank you.
Are you all right?
Did you do it for a while?
All right.
My arms are a bit sore. Oh.
I have Why don't I just slip out of this tight, tight dress?
All right.
Zipper's stuck.
Why don't I just get the sauna ready?
Sure. I'll use the other one.
I forgot my uncle was visiting.
Oh, wait, James.
Might be a...
Do you hear the security alarm going off?
I can only hear it when I'm in this room.
I better turn it off. Let's turn on the monitors and see what's happening.
It's on tubes. It takes a while to warm up. No, here comes the message now. It seems to be some sort of assignment. I guess we're all right.
James, you know you're in danger. After your last mission, there's agents out to kill you.
That's right. We've got to get out of this room. Go somewhere where they can't find us. Follow me. Sorry. Sauna again. Hop on the back of my bike. Hop on the back. I'm giving it gas. I don't know what's wrong.
Oh, look, there's agents there. Quick, why don't we ski down the mountain?
All right. Hey, wait for me.
Throw me some skis.
I am not going anywhere. Oh, yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Oh, they're shooting.
Bang, bang.